Adding an SSH key to GitLab allows secure access to your repositories without needing to enter your username and password each time. Here's a step-by-step guide. Generate an SSH key. Open a terminal. Generate a new SSH key pair with. Press enter to accept the default file location and enter a passphrase when prompted. Copy your SSH key. Use the following command to copy your public key to the clipboard. Alternatively, you can use the following on macOS or manually open the file and copy its contents. Add SSH key to GitLab. Log into your GitLab account. Navigate to user settings by clicking on your avatar in the top right corner and selecting preferences. Go to the SSH key sections in the sidebar. Paste your copied SSH key into the key field. Add a descriptive title. Click Add key to save. Test your SSH connection. Verify the SSH connection with the following. You should receive a welcome message if everything is set up correctly.